In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase transfer limit on Remitly app. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do inside your account to qualify for higher limits and keep your transfers moving smoothly. First, head to Remitly, either open the app or go to the website and sign in. The single most important action for increasing your limit is completing identity verification. Take a moment to go through the verification flow carefully. Make sure the details you provide match your government ID and submit clear images when prompted. This step is crucial. Without it, your limit will likely stay restricted. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your profile name. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to Profile Information. Here's where accuracy really matters. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your identification. Next, add your current residential address, including apartment or unit numbers if applicable. Then enter your phone number and any other requested details. Providing complete and consistent information helps Remitly verify your account faster and more reliably, which in turn supports higher transfer limits. Next, let's strengthen your account with a verified funding source. Go back to Settings and select Payment Methods. Click Add Payment Method, then pick the type you want to use. For this walkthrough, choose Card. Enter your card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Type your name exactly as it appears on the card, add a nickname if you find that helpful, and confirm the billing address. The billing address should match what your bank has on file. Mismatches can cause verification delays or declines. When everything looks correct, click Save. Having a valid save payment method on file shows consistent, reliable funding and can support higher transfer thresholds. With your identity verified, your profile completed, and your payment method saved, the final best practice is to use your account regularly. Make legitimate transfers, keep your information up to date, and maintain a positive history. Remitly reviews activity over time, and steady, compliant usage can help you qualify for higher limits as you build trust on the platform. That's the full process. Go to Remitly, complete identity verification, update your profile with accurate personal details, add and save a valid payment method, and then use your account regularly. Follow these steps carefully, double-check your entries for accuracy, and you'll put yourself in the best position to increase your transfer limit. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next transfer.